I'm going to take it out of this container just to check the root structure. And then I'll see whether it's going to get changed or not. But this is the thing. Let's take a good look at this. It needs trimming. It needs the weeds pulled out. It needs major work. So after I show you what I've got, I'll get started. Actually, it's not really bad. It's not coiled or anything like that. So theoretically speaking, I could go back into the same pot and just kind of clean it up. But I thought I'd go ahead and change the container just to see if we could get a slightly different look. Different container. I changed the tilt a little bit. Now, when you do something like this, what you're going to do is to wait until you get everything in place to do the trimming, because now it more or less has to fit the new container in terms of the pruning. So different rocks, well, set of rocks. Not quite sure which side might be the front or is it complete. What I'm going to do is now trim. This is the front, or this is the front. And I think either side looks good, which is better than if you had neither side looking good. But I think at this point, I don't really need to define the exact front. But what I see in the future, I want this apex to get bigger, maybe like so, and go like that. This container is bigger. It's got fresh soil. I think it's about triple the original soil amount. So the first couple years, it's going to grow very rapidly. So that's when I'll use the growth habit and get the apex that I want. So I'm going to stop this for now, and it's going to grow quite a bit. And then we'll get more, especially like in here. I cut off one big branch, so it opened up in here. We'll need some branches. So others might consider this finished, but I consider it's on its way. I would think that in 2 years, this will look really spectacular.